Hi, I'm Tasman Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and trainee here at the Institute of Personal Care Science. And today I'm going to show you how to make a lengthening and strengthening lash serum. So we've got some before and after photos here, so you can see that it naturally gives 3 times more volume to the lashes in just 15 days, more volume and more length. Now let's get into it. Okay, first off I have my water continuous phase here. I'm going to add a humectant to my serum. I'm going to choose Osmolite, which is propanediol, to enhance the delivery of my active. I'm also going to add some hyaluronic acid for hydration for the lashes, and I'm also going to add in some marine collagen, which is also good for hair. Next I'm going to add in my preservative. Now next is my polymer. I've chosen to go with Sepimax Zen. This is a really good polymer. It makes it really stable. It's a really good material to use. So I'm going to add a 0.6 of the Sepimax Zen. Now this will take some time to hydrate. So I'm going to stir it to wet the polymer. And then we're going to cover it and leave it while it hydrates. Okay, so here is my Sepimax Zen after I've left it for a while to hydrate. Just going to give that a stir. As you can see, it's turned into a nice gel. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to add my active. I've chosen to use the Wide Lash active. This has really good efficacy data for lengthening, strengthening of the lashes. Let's give that a stir. Now looking at the efficacy data here for Wide Lash, you can see over to the left here that it helps to lengthen eyelashes by up to 11% in just 15 days and 17% in 30 days. Looking over to the right here, it also increases the diameter of eyelashes, so up to 12% in 15 days and 19% in 30 days. And then down the bottom here, it also helps to strengthen the lashes. So you can see here, there hasn't been as many lashes that have been lost in 15 days, so it's minus 3.7%. And then in just 30 days, there has been only 9.1% of lashes lost. Okay, next we're going to adjust our pH. Okay, next we're just going to cover this and leave it sit overnight just to make sure it's nice and stable the next day. Okay, and this is our serum the next day. As you can see, it's held together really well. It's not too high, not too low in viscosity, and it's holding together excellently. And that's how easy it is to make a strengthening and lengthening lash serum. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to receive all the notifications on all our videos on our channel. Happy formulating!